Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Some exciting news happened this week and I was laid off last July and I've been looking for a job to supplement my income because my EI will run out in May and we need to have some income coming in. So besides all of my side hustles, I wanted to have something that was a little bit more permanent. So I actually did get a job, and that job is going to be permanently me working from home. I don't start until March, but with that being said, I do need to have a home office and I have to have it in a room that I can close the door. So today's video is going to be me taking on the task of changing one of our bedroom closets into a home office so that I can tuck it away at the end of the night and it's out of the way and it's not something that is going to be interrupting our daily lives when I am not working. So we're going to take our bedroom, the master bedroom in the apartment, and we're going to change it, the home office, or the closet into the home office. So it's going to be a little bit of work and I'll just show you what we're working with right now. So basically this is my office setup right now. I did show a video of me moving this table in here and cleaning the living room. But because I don't work here a lot, like I need to have something a little bit better for when I do have a different computer and I'm working at home 5 days a week, or whatever my schedule is when I start that new job. So we're gonna be moving this desk thing into this closet and making it a little bit better of a workspace. So right now we have two long shelves. I don't know if you can see them. So we have two long shelves. We have that bar there, and then we have all of our clothes, and then down below we've got a laundry bin, a couple storage containers, more clothes, more stuff. Basically, we have to clear out this entire closet. So here we go. I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is lay down. I know for sure that my clothes are all organized to what I wear most often, and they're in the closet. Things that I don't wear are in our dresser. And I try to keep as minimal of a closet as I can. But I have all of my winter and summer things in here. So also, I don't know if you've seen that TikTok where it says you should get rid of your boxes. I bought my iMac like over a year ago and I still have the box. Not that I plan on selling it. I'm not really sure why I have the box, but I think it's time to get rid of it. All of our socks that don't have pairs are apparently in our closet like that. I guess it's good to go through your closet because then you know what's in there. Now, you're probably wondering where we're putting these clothes, because this is a pretty big closet that we're clearing out. We have at least one other closet that we can use for clothes, and then we have my son's closet that, because most of his clothes go in bins, we have space in his closet to hang clothes. So I think my clothes will go in his closet and my husband's clothes will go in the other closet. We have to build a rod for the other closet so that his clothes can hang. I guess another thing to mention would be that because we're going to take this closet and turn it into an office, I'm going to move my office stuff that's in a different closet, so that's where his clothes will go, and move all of that stuff in here so that all of my office stuff, my small business stuff, everything that I do as a side hustle will be in here and I can just get it when I need it. So that'll be a little bit nicer as well. So now that I've taken the bottom rail off, it'll just be easier to tuck my chair in there. And then I've added the top rail back on because it doesn't look finished if I don't have it up there. I think I'm gonna take this off, just because then I can have a little bit more space, like the 2 inches of space here, but leave the shelf up, I think. Or maybe I'll just leave this, I don't know. And then I gotta clean this out here. Make it look a little bit better. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. See if I can push this shelf back. I don't think that I can, but I'm gonna see if I can push it back. I'm missing a thing that goes here. I'm not sure where that is. So after fitting the desk into the closet, it's too narrow this way to put a full desktop and then be able to write or use a keyboard. So I flipped the desk around, took off the hinges to make it so that this will seam butt up against each other. These legs fold out, so that works out for that part of it. And then I'm going to cut this piece to fit around this part of the wall because it's going to stick out about 1 inch. So basically it will sit flush with this wall, but it'll have a chunk cut out of it just so that it fits exact. But the problem is, the reason I have to do this is because they put a baseboard all the way through our closets and they stick out about 1 inch. So that's kind of screwing with all of our stuff, unfortunately. And it's better that I cut this piece than cutting one of the legs to like lower the structure of the stability of the actual desk. So this closet here, we're going to be moving into the other closet so that all of my business stuff is organized together. And then this closet will become my husband's clothing closet. So this is what it looks like now. I took off a little bit more than I should have, but it's because these two pieces don't actually line up. One is shorter than the other one. And if this leg were fully open, you would need a little bit more cut off here, but that's okay. So this is the desk in the closet, which I think will work fine. And then again, tomorrow I'm gonna have wallpaper up here, just to make it a little bit nicer in there. Not staring at a beige wall when you're working. I had these two baskets above my fridge, and like if you look at them, there really isn't much in either of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to store my for sale shirts in there and then put this basket with this stuff on top of the fridge instead of and then these baskets can potentially go up there if there's enough space. Hello everybody, this is day 2 of my office makeover. So you can see this is what we completed yesterday. Put up this shelf and this Ikea pegboard thing, moved the desk in, cut the little notch here, organized all of my office small business stuff up here. But today from Amazon, today from Amazon, we got our power because there is no power actually in the closet. So our closest power outlet is here. So I'm going to run this to the desk, and then I'm going to cut out a notch for it and screw it on. And then behind the desk, I'm going to put up some temporary wallpaper. So you can stick around and watch that happen. So this is just the brick contact paper from Amazon. I will link it down below. Basically, to put it on, you start at the top, you peel away the back, and then you start by pulling the back down as you're pushing all the bubbles out to get down to the bottom. You can use a debit or credit card or anything that's like a flat surface. By the end, I wasn't using anything, and you can just basically use your hand. If you do get a bubble, you can literally just pop it with a pin and squeeze all the air out of it, and it works fine. Because this is a very busy pattern, I didn't find that I had a problem if I did just get rid of the bubbles, because you wouldn't see it anyways. Now I did buy 2 rolls of this, and you'll see later on I have a harder time matching the second roll up to the first roll. Really, the problem with this, so this is all one roll here. These are 2 slices. And then that middle piece. When you get to the second roll, it no longer lines up. So sure, it might line up here, but once you get down 3 or 4 bricks, it's not gonna line up anymore because that's not the same brick on the same level. So I might have to cut this one off and start this one up here so that it makes more sense. But I'm with all of the pieces up. If you don't look too closely, like you can see right here, they don't match up too well, but there's gonna be a desk there and stuff in the way. It looks actually pretty good. I'm gonna remember, when you're using a saw of any kind, you want to clamp your wood down. So got that clamped down. This guy and this is what I need. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in here. Thanks so much for watching my video. I am so happy with the result of this desk. I've never had an at-home office like this before, and this stores all of my small business things. So check out my links below for where I got most of my products for in here.